It's time to launch your first product and start selling online. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up and publish your first product to start generating sales. First, navigate to payments. From here, we can navigate to products in the top toolbar. Then we can create our first product by clicking Create Product. In our product editor, we can give it a name, a description, upload media, add it to a collection, designate a tax code, and then determine our price. Once you've filled in all of this information, then you can go ahead and click Save. Now we can see our product from our product screen, and we can use this product across the account. To use this product in an online store, navigate to Sites, then open up your website, funnel, or e-commerce store, and add your product on the page under Products. We can add our product by clicking Add Product, selecting our product, selecting the price, and then clicking Save. And just like that, we can sell our product on our website. Depending on your website, you may already have an ordering element set up, but if you don't, just add an element by clicking Add Elements and add in either a one-step or a two-step order form. Both of these elements will create a dynamic order form that will use the product we already added on this page in order to sell it on our website. For example, here we can see a one-step order form, which when added onto our website will collect information like the name, email address, phone number, shipping, and payment information in order to sell this dynamic item, which we added from our website or funnel settings. We can adjust this just like any other element by selecting the element and then customizing it on the right-hand side. Here we can designate what our sale actions are. For example, if we want a customer to go to another website URL or another step in our funnel after they've checked out. Or under the advanced column, we can customize our headlines and specify what pieces of text are to be inside of our order form. Two-step order forms function in a similar fashion, but instead the checkout process is split up into two steps. On this website, we have our order form within the pop-up, as we can see under pop-up settings. This here is that example of a two-step order form, which we can again customize all of our settings on the right-hand side to see what step 1 looks like, as well as step 2. We can then save, publish, and preview our website page with our checkout process. And just like that, on our website, we can check out with this product and view it online. In the next few videos, we'll talk about payment links, connecting your payment provider, and generating and sending professional invoices. So stay tuned so we can officially start generating sales using our new product that we just created. Thanks for watching.